Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESR Rebound magnetic case. It's compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2021. This is the 5th generation of it, and it's compatible to the 2020 model. This is the 4th generation of the iPad Pro. But take care, you will need a 12.9 inches model of it, because out there is another chip available, okay? The big one. This is for the big one of the iPad Pros. It's a smart case with magnetic attachment, auto sleep and automatic wake up function, and it supports pencil too, and it comes with a Trifold stand. It's available in black, in blue, in grey, in green, and in rosy gold. In this case, I choose the black version of it, because black is beautiful, you know it. Only compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2021 and 2020. Not compatible with any other models. Model number A2378 A2461 A2379 A2462 A2229 A2069 A2232 and A2233 and A1876 and A2014 A1895 and the good old A1983. So these are all compatible models out there. Pooh! It comes with powerful magnets. This ensures a strong lock between our case and the tablet itself. Clasp holds over the pencil too, providing extra protection while charging. Magnetic Trifold stands support both viewing and writing modes. And we have an automatic sleep and wake react instantly when we are going to open and close the cover. It's really nice. It's really nice. What is ESR? Tech Made Easier. It's founded in 2009. ESR is a global tech company creating simple, effective, and innovative mobile accessories. From 110 patents to the award-winning designs in both form and function, the products of ESR make connecting with technology more intuitive. And their drive to help people find better ways to interact with technology by creating products that make tech easier to use. They have earned the trust of over 100 million people around the world. And that means there is a lot of skills to make this. And it's really nice. It's easy to connect because of the magnetic field. It will slide your iPad Pro into position. And then you can see you can use it in different shapes. And that makes it all around your needs. Because it is a Rebound magnetic case and is compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. And if you have a pencil, I do not own one, sorry for that, you can pair and charge the pencil while keeping it safe because of this case. And I like it really much. Magnetic attachments are really awesome because there are powerful magnets. Let us put the case on in seconds and of course remove it in seconds. We can go to viewing and writing stand. Protective magnetic clasp is included and raised the camera edges so you can still use your camera while this ESR Rebound magnetic case is installed. It is compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2020 and 2021. 4th and 5th generation, and it's a smart case with magnetic attachment, auto sleep and wake up function, and of course it supports pencil too. And it comes with a Trifold stand, and it's available in a different color options, but I like black at most. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.